I'm going to show you 5 real examples of what ChatGPT gave me before I customized it, and what it gives me now. No theory, no technical explanations, just side-by-side results. You'll see exactly what changes when you move from generic ChatGPT to a properly customized AI co-partner. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this 15-minute setup completely transformed how I work with AI. Here's how this works. For each example, I'm going to show you the exact same prompt. First, what ChatGPT gave me when it was uncustomized, and second, what it gives me now after I set up my AI co-partner. Same question, same task, completely different results. I'm not going to walk you through how to set this up. That's what my AI co-partner starter guide covers. Today is pure proof. You're going to see the transformation, and then you can decide if this is something you want for yourself. Let's start with example 1, writing a client email. My prompt: help me write an email to a client about a project delay. Before customization, ChatGPT gave me this corporate formal response. Dear client name, I hope this message finds you well. I am writing to inform you that we have encountered unforeseen circumstances that will result in a delay to the project timeline. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience this may cause and appreciate your understanding as we work to resolve these issues. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. Best regards, generic, stiff. Sounds like it came from a legal department. After customization, same prompt. Here's what ChatGPT gives me now. Hey, client name, quick heads up. We're running about a week behind on the project. Ran into some unexpected technical issues, but we're sorting them out. The new delivery date is? Let me know if that works for you or if you need to adjust anything on your end. Thanks for rolling with it. What changed? ChatGPT now knows I work with small business clients who hate corporate jargon. It knows my communication style is direct and conversational. It remembers my audience expects straight talk, not formality. That's the difference between AI that follows generic rules and AI that knows your context. Example 2, brainstorming content ideas. My prompt: give me 5 video ideas for this week. Before customization, ChatGPT gave me this. 1. How to be more productive at work. 2. Top 10 time management tips. 3. Morning routine for success. 4. How to set better goals. 5. Overcoming procrastination. Generic productivity content. It could apply to anyone. Zero relevance to what I actually do. After customization, same prompt. Here's what I get now. Based on your AI customization niche and 90-day content plan. Why ChatGPT gives generic responses and what to do about it. Custom instructions versus memory. Which one actually matters? Real examples. Before and after AI customization. The one ChatGPT setting most people ignore. How I turned ChatGPT into my AI co-partner. What changed? ChatGPT now knows I teach AI customization. It knows my audience is frustrated with generic AI responses. It knows I'm in a 90-day content sprint focused on search-optimized educational videos. That's the difference between AI that guesses and AI that remembers your work. Example 3, planning my week. My prompt: what should I prioritize this week? Before customization, ChatGPT gave me this. Here are some general priorities to consider. Review your goals for the month. Tackle your most important tasks first. Schedule time for deep work. Don't forget to take breaks. Check in with your team. Surface-level productivity advice. Zero connection to my actual projects. After customization, same prompt. Here's what I get now. You're launching video 4 this week. Custom ChatGPT forgetting issue. Priority 1, finalize script and record. Priority 2, create B-roll in Canva, text overlays, transformation graphics. Priority 3, schedule video 5, before, after examples for next week. Also, you mentioned wanting to hit 1,000 subscribers in 90 days. Consider adding a CTA in video 4, asking viewers to subscribe if the content helped them. What changed? ChatGPT now knows my launch timeline. It knows I'm publishing 2 videos per week. It knows my 90-day subscriber goal. It's not giving me generic advice. It's acting like a co-producer who understands my strategy. That's the difference between AI that gives tips and AI that partners with you. Example 4. Troubleshooting a problem. My prompt: my video views are lower than expected. What should I do? Before customization, ChatGPT gave me this. Here are some strategies to increase video views. Improve your thumbnails. Use better titles. Post consistently. Engage with comments. Promote on social media. Collaborate with other creators. Generic YouTube advice. It could come from any blog post. After customization, same prompt. Here's what I get now. Your last video targeted custom ChatGPT. Lower views could mean 1. Title thumbnail not matching search intent. Check if your title promises what searchers want. 2. Video length. Your 14-minute format might be long for that keyword. 3. Retention drop-off. Where are viewers leaving? If it's early, your hook needs work. Also, you're only 4 videos into your 90-day plan. Search-driven content takes 2 to 4 weeks to rank. Don't panic yet. Focus on publishing consistently and let the algorithm index your content. What changed? ChatGPT now knows my keyword strategy. It knows I'm targeting search traffic, not viral views. It knows I'm early in my 90-day plan. It's giving me specific troubleshooting based on my actual strategy, not generic YouTube tips. That's the difference between AI that regurgitates advice and AI that applies expertise to your situation. Example 5. Getting feedback on a script. My prompt: review this video script and give me feedback. Before customization, ChatGPT gave me this. Your script is well structured and clear. Consider adding more examples to illustrate your points. The introduction could be stronger to hook viewers. Overall, good work. Vague, unhelpful. Sounds like a teacher grading homework. After customization, same prompt. Here's what I get now. Script analysis for your AI customization niche. Hook is strong. Transformation promise hits immediately. The problem section validates frustration well, but could use one more specific example of the forgetting issue to deepen relatability. The education sections are solid. You're teaching what why without revealing how, protecting your starter guide value. Before/after examples are your strongest asset. Consider leading with example 3, project planning, since it shows the most dramatic transformation. CTA is clear, but could be stronger. Try adding a specific homework question to drive comments. Overall, 8 out of 10, ready to record with minor tweaks. What changed? ChatGPT now knows my content format, talking head 8 to 15 minutes. It knows my teaching philosophy, what why, not how. It knows I'm protecting my product value. It's giving me editorial feedback based on my specific strategy, not generic script notes. That's the difference between AI that comments and AI that edits like a co-producer. So what actually changed between these examples? ChatGPT now knows my work, AI customization education, my audience, people frustrated with generic AI, my content strategy, search optimized, 2 videos per week, 90-day plan, my communication style, direct, conversational, no corporate jargon, my product, AI co-partner, starter guide, my goals, 1,000 subscribers in 90 days. It's not just following instructions anymore. It's working with me as a co-partner who understands my context. And here's the key. This didn't happen by accident. I didn't just turn on a setting and hope for the best. I set up ChatGPT specifically to remember this information and apply it consistently. That setup took about 15 minutes, and it completely transformed how I use AI. Now, I didn't show you how to set this up, because that's a step-by-step process that requires specific settings, structured conversations, and testing to make sure everything's actually working. That's exactly what I walk you through in my AI Co-Partner Starter Guide. It's not complicated, but it is specific. You need to know which settings to configure, how to structure your initial conversations so ChatGPT learns the right context, and how to test that memory and custom instructions are working together. The guide takes you through the entire process, from zero to a fully customized AI co-partner in about 15 minutes. And once it's set up, you get results like the 5 examples I just showed you. Every single day. 5 real examples. Same prompts. Completely different results. That's what happens when you move from generic ChatGPT to a properly customized AI co-partner. Here's your homework. Try one of these prompts with your ChatGPT right now. Ask it to help you with an email, brainstorm content ideas, or plan your week. Drop a comment and tell me. Did you get a generic response, or did ChatGPT actually understand your context? And if you're ready to set up your own AI co-partner that gives you results like these, check out the AI Co-Partner Starter Guide in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.